What is up, everybody? I decided to do a review-ish kind of video on the new iTech Action Pro camera I got. It says it films in 1080p, so we'll find out how it performs in this garage setting, because that's what it's mainly going to be used for. I'm going to plop it somewhere, just like this, as I work on the Supra, and we'll go from there. So in this video, I'm going to start the MR2 because it hasn't been started in like a month. We'll see if it starts. If it does, good job. And yeah, just do variations of things in the garage to see what kind of issues the camera has, if any. So, all right. So here we are. Here's the 2J that came out of the car. I did some cleaning on it. You can see it's really clean down there now, for the most part. So, I don't think this camera does very well in dark settings. So, I'm going to open the garage. So, in order for this camera to do good, it has to be in lighted areas. I guess as of every camera out there, basically, without flash. Gross. Okay, let's try this out. Uh-oh. Oh, that didn't sound like it was happy. Let's see if she starts. Oh, she started. Nice, first crack. Good little beams. Let her run. Let her charge up. Like I said, she hasn't been started for about a month. There's most of the old stuff off the 2J. Yep. Good old 2J. Alright. Let's go over here to my big pile of junk. I should be charging this thing, which I will. Alright. So, I don't think I had my channel up and running when I had my... Why is that all weird? What the heck? It's like slippery. I have no idea what's going on down there. Doesn't smell like anything, it's just weird. Anyway, I had an Aristo, and I put this up here. Camera shut off, so oh, there we go. Camera's still rolling. Okay, the screen just shut off on the back here. But I had a Aristo that I wanted to, you know, not make stock anymore, so it took me forever to track down this piece. This piece is easy. This piece is, I don't know, 120 bucks off eBay. Autobahn intake tube. This is an actual G-Ready Trust piece. Greddy, G-Ready, whatever. This thing was like 280 bucks with a filter, a G-Ready Greddy filter. So the guy who has my Aristo now is parting it out, so I picked this up off him because it is the same thing that the beams needs, and to find an intake for the beams is damn near impossible. So I'm going to wipe that up before I put that back. It's just running perfect. Toyota. It's a nice frickin' car. I miss driving it already. I think I'm just going to keep this thing. Trying to get everything I can get with this camera, see where its shortfalls are. So far it's pretty good. Tested it in the house with no light, and it was mediocre, but it was no light, so it says it's 1080p. Don't know if I believe that.